Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with RE/MAX for property marketing and buyer funnels, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official RE/MAX website to familiarize yourself with their services. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the Marketing Tools section to explore the resources available for property marketing. Download the RE/MAX Marketing Toolkit, which includes templates and guidelines for effective advertising. Identify the specific property you wish to market. Utilize the RE/MAX property listing platform to create an appealing listing. Incorporate high-quality images and engaging descriptions to attract potential buyers. Set competitive pricing by researching similar properties in your area. Use SEO strategies to optimize your listing for search engines. Share your listing across social media platforms using RE/MAX branded content. Engage with local online communities to enhance visibility. Consider utilizing RE/MAX email marketing tools to reach potential buyers directly. Build a buyer funnel by capturing leads through contact forms on the property listing page. Set up automated follow-up emails to nurture these leads. Monitor analytics provided by RE/MAX to understand the effectiveness of your marketing. Adjust your strategies based on data insights to improve reach and engagement. Participate in RE/MAX training sessions or webinars to deepen your marketing knowledge. Collaborate with other RE/MAX agents to share strategies and insights for better results. Leverage RE/MAX network for open houses and take advantage of co-marketing opportunities. Ensure all marketing materials adhere to RE/MAX branding guidelines to maintain professionalism. Evaluate your marketing efforts regularly and refine your approach as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.